Alright, so here is the best way on how you can use Qwen Image AI Generator. So here, as you can see, once I go to Google Chrome, I've already opened up Qwen, and you can generate AI image for free in this AI website. So what you can do simply first up is just simply head over to the website and make sure you log in. If you haven't logged in, just simply log in, and it will precede you to its main platform where you can edit or do whatever. So what you have to do is just first press on image generation. Once you press on it, it will show you some prompts and stuff like that. But you can also use voice or video chat to command your image, but you can type it in right over here, describe it, and you can choose the ratio as well, just like 1.1, 314, 4.3, 16.9, and it just depends on your preferences what kind of image you want. So I want a boy playing football. So once you do that, once you type it in, it's just gonna do its loading. It's like that. And it takes a while to load up, like a few minutes, but here is the actual result if you type it in. And I think it looks pretty sick, and I haven't even added any details to it. So if I add more details to it, it will make it more, graphically better, and every detail you'd like to add, you can just add it. Even the weather and everything and the background is just gonna do its job and change it. And here, as you can see, it just generated a different picture. So you can just simply do whatever and however you'd like to do that. So yeah, this is it on how you can use Qwen Image AI Generator. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.